3 to 5 years ago, joint replacement was different. People really kind of had a longer hospital stay, a longer recovery time, and generally we weren't quite as good at controlling people's pain after surgery. And so these days, with really good modern anesthesia techniques, good pain control, injections, we were able to get people up really quickly, and so therefore the majority of people are actually able to go home the day of the surgery. Almost every single patient walks up and down stairs the day of the surgery, and they're able to decrease their hospital stay. And so we're able to do this by better pain control and really keeping people functional. So doing all those things so that instead of taking a lot of pain medicines and being kind of groggy or not getting off to a very quick start, we can control pain with those modalities in order to allow people to get up and walk comfortably and really get moving. And that's what really kind of lends itself towards a quicker recovery and a shorter stay at the hospital.